Jesus. There are some things more important than getting more. May mahalaga pa. Ano yung mahalaga? Ito, tingnan niyo po. Mark 8:36-37. And how do you benefit if you gain the whole world but lose your own soul in process? Is anything worth more than your soul? Mind, emotion, and will. Renew your mind. Do not copy the pattern of this world. Ang ating isip, ang ating puso, ang ating kasigasigan, ang ating abilidad, ipagamit natin sa Panginoon. And God will do the rest. Amen? Meron tayong buhay, huwag natin sayangin. Ask yourself an honest question, is getting more worthwhile? Dalawa sagot dyan. Yes, Pastor, kapag alam mo how to respond in the light of Christ's victory. Yes, sulit, Pastor. Kumikita ako, naka-enjoy ko with my family, pero yung mga tao hindi nila alam, hindi sulit. Bakit? Pagod lang sila. Meron nga, pero pagod lang sila. Kaya itinuturo sa atin how to respond to business in the light of Christ's victory.